The graph hodlers, the graph traders, or whoever you are interested about the graph. I've just seen something in the chart going on with the graph, price-wise, and I've decided to make this quick update and let you know what I see. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to the channel. Dr. Crypto is back this time with the graph. One of the beloved project of many of you guys, I'm sure about it, but this time in this video I'm not gonna be talking about the project of the graph, as I haven't yet completed my research deeply into it. We'll jump into it. Before that, guys, please take some time, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and I really appreciate that, as we are actually making great community in here, all inclusive in this channel, talking about trading, talking about altcoins to invest, talking sometimes about altcoin gem. So we will actually help each other to make some great gains in the cryptocurrency. And a quick disclaimer, of course I have always to mention, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video nor other of my videos should be taken as financial advice. Please do your own research wisely. Don't get excited and play with your money based on my video or any other video, because if you lose, then you have got no one to blame on. That's what I do. You should be doing the same to my beliefs. So guys, before wasting any more time, let's look at the graph. This project, as I was one of the early investor in it, and actually I'm very much interested in it because it's doing a unique job. I told you I'm not going to get deeply into the project, but if you know what the graph is, the graph, we don't have any similar project in the space to the graph. And I like this kind of unique project because of course, when they are in top of the coin market cap, like 38 ranking is not that bad after all of these downside movements. When they are doing something unique, like for example Chainlink, when they are doing something unique and they are actually succeeding, they have some kind of big partners and something that they're backing them, I'm so much interested to get into them, and I believe in their future because this project, when first it was launched, it was listed in Coinbase, it was listed in Binance, all of these big exchanges, they were listing it. That's something important. And there was some rumor, of course, it was backed by Coinbase and all this stuff. Well, the fact or rumor, in this video at least we don't care about it because we're talking about the price. Now, let's jump into the charts and see what actually I'm seeing. That's why I actually came to you with this quick update on the graph price. Well guys, this one is weekly GRT against BTC. As I told you, I always care about the action of the particular altcoin that I'm interested in against Bitcoin, because when people exchange their Bitcoin to get some altcoin, then that's the exact time we see the surge in the price of that altcoin. And as we're seeing, actually, to my beliefs, alt season just started some weeks ago. That's why we are seeing the Bitcoin is moving sideways and some of the altcoin 20-30% and even more, they are surging in price. Of course, when Bitcoin have some hard downside movement, alt is so hard to resist that kind of a crash, but as soon as Bitcoin stabilizes itself, move to the sideways, then altcoin have some nice gains. Now, this is weekly, right? This is the trend line that I was looking closely. And as soon as I saw the weekly, which the new candle will start after 1 hour approximately, we are actually, after going down and retesting some of the support in here, they bought it back, and now the candle is all the way up, finishing its weekly green, and more importantly, kinda above the line that I've had. So By that I mean I was waiting for the breakout. And the breakout in the weekly, which is a long term, is about to happen. So we'll see. The new candle will open here. It could have some retest to the trend line. And we'll see. Most probably, I'm expecting it to retest it successfully and start going and confirm the breakout. Or in the case, if it fails and go below it, we will watch it closely. So we have to be careful with it. But I want to put it in daily and look at it at the daily. Now, in the daily, it's even nicer because we have more candle to look at, right? So, let's just remove this one. If I could, sometimes I really have problem. Good. Now, let's just adjust the line. Make no mistake. Now, look at this beautiful, you can even call it kind of copper handle, which is actually a great pattern. Now, what will happen? We are at this and now the new daily candle could actually, I think maybe it will go a little bit up at first, right? Maybe I'm expecting it, and we'll see how bullish this bullish scenario will be. But anyways, I have no problem to see kind of a retest in here, right? I have no problem to see the new candle retest it and actually confirm the breakout, and then we will have the upside movement. And of course, the first point that I will be looking will be in this area, which we for sure will have some kind of conflict in this zone. So that means the next target that I will be looking will be somewhere in this area. For that, to make it more clear and understand, I will open fib retracement soon, and let's see the fibs. From this swing high that we had historically to this very swing low, I will look. As you see, this line was probably the best opportunity line to buy in, and this was the last time that we touched it right here. And now the next fib retracement will be in here, which is actually lining with this kind of resistance that we will have. So we can actually go up until here and test this kind of resistance. We will see how it works out. If it does the retest first and then go here, I think it's going to be better for us and we will have more chance to break. But if we just continue going upside, then the chances that we'll come back and retest a little bit this area will be higher. But anyways, that's about the trading. And of course, if we break this one, confirm the next one, we will be watching for the next one. I think this big breakout, this line is so much valid and strong that if we break and go above it, because this is also, you can make the case, it looks like if you just imagine also this down line of the fib, this is also a big triangle, right? And the graph been sleeping for a long time after its initial movement to the upside. So all I want to say is that we are breaking out, and the breakout is against Bitcoin. That's why I'm happy about it. Now for the hodler out there who are hodling so strong to see what are the possible scenarios and the prices for the ultimate prices, of course, for this project, we can talk about it right now. Guys, if we have this breakout confirmed, I think soon or late, if all season continues and we will not have a scenario that Bitcoin crash or something like that, we will be probably coming back and retesting this all-time high, which if I calculate it at the moment, I'm opening my calculator. Let's consider the price of Bitcoin on that time to be 50,000 around. Okay. Then multiply it with 0.000060. Then the price of the graph would be about $3, right? That's kinda its all-time high. Now, do I think that that's the last I mean, the highest that the graph could go? Absolutely not. Why? I tell you why. Because we have seen the project, like for example, Avalanche. I'm covering them in my other videos. You can watch them. They are also a great project. We are, for example, watching. I can show you, why not? Let's take a look at them. I can, for example, this is GRT again. The same scenario is going on. Look at it. I mean, BTC is better to look, but look at, for example, what we have that is broke. Let's look at Solana, for example. Okay, Solana against BTC. Oh, sorry, Sol against BTC. Now, if we look at in here, look, guys. Maybe you don't believe me, but what I'm showing you now, it's kind of a line done in here. Okay, I know if you are a graph hodler, you would love to see something like this, yeah? But with the graph, we are somewhere in here at the moment, guys. Solana was too extreme, you would say. Let's look at, for example, Avalanche. That's also another one which has all-time high. And if I want to show you with now where we are actually, if you want to compare with the graph, we are somewhere in this area trying to break such a line. Look at them and they just came. I'm not saying these are over. Actually, they just started the moonshots. And that's what I'm saying, that if GRT breakout confirms, the all-time high probably is one of the first points to achieve, roughly about $3. You want to know my ultimate price? Obviously, I will look at the highest fib retracements. Let me give you my price prediction for the huge bull run at the end of the bull run. Let's say 25 0.000 25 times, let's say Bitcoin will be 50,000. It will be $12.50 for the graph. That means 12.5x on your investment, or even more actually, because the graph at the moment is less than $1. Do I think it's a good investment for the rest of the bull run? Absolutely yes. But of course, not a financial advice. You have also to think and see what you want to do with the graph. Let me know in the comment down below if you think actually what I see makes sense. If you are hodling and you are a fan of the graph, smash that like button, show some love to the channel with subscribing, and let's make this video viral in the YouTube so everybody will be aware of the potential of the graph and the critical point that we are at the moment. So with all that being said, guys, thank you for your time. I'll be coming back to you with another video soon. And that was all I got. Be blessed. Dr. Crypto out.